When I deposit money in a bank, they keep it safe and lend it to others. That's how banking works.
Your bank does not keep your money.
What do you mean? It's right there in my account.
The number you see is a promise. The money itself was lent to someone else the moment it arrived.
But I can withdraw at any time.
Yes, because they're betting that not everyone will withdraw at the same time. The moment enough people try, it's called a bank run, and the bank collapses.
That sounds unstable.
It is, but that's not even the most interesting part.
What is?
Banks don't just move money. They create it.
That's not possible. Only governments print money.
Governments print cash. Banks create something more powerful than cash. They create numbers.
Explain that.
When a bank approves your loan, it doesn't go to a vault, take out existing money, and hand it to you. It opens a screen, types a number, and that number becomes real money in your account, created from nothing.
But that money has to come from somewhere.
That's what everyone assumes, and that assumption is wrong. The Bank of England confirmed it in 2014. Banks create new money every time they issue a loan, not transfer, create.
So the bank invents money and then charges me interest on money it invented.
Exactly.
That seems like the greatest business ever designed.
It gets better. When you repay the loan, that money is destroyed. It disappears. The only thing that survives is the interest, which the bank keeps.
So the bank created something from nothing, charged me for it, and kept the profit.
And did it 1,000,000 times over with 1,000,000 other customers today.
Why does any government allow this?
Because it funds the economy. When banks create loans, businesses expand, houses get built, and governments borrow. The entire modern economy runs on debt that banks invented.
So we need this system.
We built civilization on top of it, which makes it very difficult to question.
But who decided banks should have this power?
People who owned banks, writing laws at a time when most people had never seen a balance sheet.
That sounds like something people should know.
Schools teach you how to save money. They never teach you how money is created. That gap is not an accident.
Why not?
Because a person who understands how money is created starts asking questions about who benefits from it. And that is a dangerous question.
Who does benefit?
Anyone who can issue a loan. Every dollar of interest earned on invented money is real wealth transferred from the borrower to the bank. At scale, over decades, that is how institutions become more powerful than governments.
So the whole system is rigged.
The system works exactly as it was designed to work, for exactly the people who designed it.
And everyone else just borrows.
And pays interest on numbers that didn't exist before they asked.
Is there any way out of this?
Only if enough people understand what they're actually agreeing to when they sign a loan.
Most people never read the terms.
Most people were never taught what the terms actually mean.
So ignorance is the foundation of the entire system.
Not ignorance, trust. People trust that the number in their account is real. That trust is what makes it real. The moment it breaks, the whole thing stops.
And nobody wants it to stop.
Especially not the people whose numbers are the largest.